In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a payment with Revolut Business Account 2025. Let's start with sending money to someone new. From your Revolut Business dashboard, head to the main menu and open Treasury. This is where you manage balances and outgoing payments. Choose Send Money to begin a transfer. When the payment window opens, select New and pick the recipient type that fits who you're paying, such as a company, an individual, or one of your own external accounts. Next, fill in the required recipient details. What you see here can vary depending on the currency and destination country. For example, some payments need an IBAN and BIC, while others might require routing and account numbers. If the recipient's country doesn't use postcodes, enter 00 in the postcode field so you can proceed. Take a moment to double check every field, names, account numbers, and bank identifiers, because the required format often changes with the currency you've chosen. Before you send, you can add a note for reconciliation. Click the reference field below the amount and type in an invoice number, purchase order, or any description that will help you track the payment later. When you're ready to save this new recipient, Revolut will ask you to verify your identity with a quick selfie authentication. This extra step helps protect your account and it ensures only authorized users can add payees. If anything about the bank details seems unclear, stop and reach out to the recipient directly to confirm. It's always better to verify than risk a returned or misdirected payment. Now let's look at paying an existing recipient in a different currency. Because bank details can be currency specific, you'll need to add the same recipient again with their account information for the new currency. Go to the transfers section on the main menu. On the web, open recipients from the left-hand panel. On mobile, tap the people icon in the top right corner. Select the recipient you already have, then choose Add New to enter their additional account details for the other currency. This keeps your recipients' profiles organized with the correct banking information tied to each currency you plan to send. If you ever need to remove a recipient, open their profile, click the three dots, and choose Delete. That's it. Clean and simple. With these steps, you can confidently send payments, include clear references, handle multi-currency recipients, and keep your payee list tidy and secure.